Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the top left and tap on your Bitmoji or your story, okay? Or your profile. Just tap on it. Now, in here, just go ahead and scroll down and you could either check your story or the story for your public profile, okay? For example, my story right here, just tap on it. Now, once done, as you can see here at the bottom left, we have the eye icon. This one is the viewers, and you'll find the viewers right here, or specific people who viewed your specific story, okay? Now, to be able to see who screenshotted your story, just tap on this option, okay? Just tap on it and you will have the list here as well, okay? That's basically it. Now, some phones might be able to see only one option. For example, when you check on the story, you'll be able to see an eye icon, just an eye. So just tap on it, and whoever is in this list that screenshotted your specific story, they will have this icon besides their name, okay? That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.